What's up, guys? This is Claudio, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium. So you want to export a transparent video from After Effects, but maybe you are not able to do that because you are using the MP4 format. Well, today you are going to discover that MP4 does not support the alpha channel, which is the one you need to export transparent background, transparent videos. So what do you have to do to export a transparent background in After Effects? So you should use another codec or another format of export. So how do you do that? Once you have your composition ready to export, you can just, to be sure that it has a transparent background, you gotta click on this small icon here to toggle transparency grid on and off, because as you know, After Effects shows a solid background anyway. You think you have a background, but you don't have. But sure, just click on this, you have these small squares, and this is the sign that you have transparent background. So once you have this, you gotta select composition and then add to render queue. Once you are there, you click here on the output module, and you will be proposed with a list of formats. So you are not going to use a 264, which is MP4, but you are going to use another one. So the most common is QuickTime, because it will render a MOV video, or AVI also support a transparent channel, or PNG sequence as well. But let's select QuickTime. And then once you have selected QuickTime as a format, you can go to the video output and select channels. Channels, you don't want just RGB, but you want RGB plus alpha. This way you will export the transparency channel as well. Once you have done this, click on OK. Then output 2, you're going to select the position that you want to render your video to, and then you're going to click on render here. This way you will render easily your video with a transparent background from After Effects. So if you want to have more information about exporting videos from After Effects in different formats, click on this video here. I'm gonna add more and more tutorials about this in the future, so if you are interested, just follow me, and thank you very much for watching me today, and see you soon. Bye.